Shri Matre Namaha, Guru Kataksham, Ambal Anugraham Paripurnam. Welcome to my channel, Shakti Awakening with Vidya Prakash. In this channel, I come out with new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also the live sessions. If you're interested to go deeper into Shakti and Shakti Sadhana, I am conducting free workshop. I have given the link below in the description. You can join the workshop, and if you're interested, you can continue the journey with me, being part of my community. And if you're coming to the channel for the first time, do subscribe and hit the notification button. If you're already a subscriber, I thank you so much for all the support in the form of likes, shares, and comments. In this video, I'm going to give you a powerful mantra and ritual for you to conceive. If you are someone who is struggling to conceive, struggling to have a baby, having the santanam for you, this particular ritual, if you do, I can assure you, you will be able to conceive with Ambal's Anugraham. Before I give you the ritual for conceiving, if you are someone who has issues related to your periods, it can be PCOS or PCOD or irregular periods, certain things where because of the issues in your uterus, yeah, for that, I'll give you the first ritual. This is a very simple and very powerful ritual that you need to do. The ritual is simple. It's do gardening. Yeah, you heard it right. Simple ritual. Do gardening. The objective is be with Bhuma Devi once a week. So work with the soil, which is the Rupam, Swarupam of Bhuma Devi, with which you'll be your uterus will get strengthened. So what you can do is, if you have an open space, you can do gardening. You do everything like working with the soil, clearing the soil, digging the soil, planting the sapling, and making it right, and offering the water. So watering every day, de-weeding. Yeah, do this every week. You plant one sapling. That way you'll be interacting with Bhuma Devi every week. If you don't have an open ground, open space in your home, then you can buy pots. Buy one pot a week. Yeah, so that every week you'll be working with one particular plant by planting and doing the work with the soil and being with Bhuma Devi. Now, as you are planting the sapling, as you are working with the soil, with the planting the sapling or watering it, I want you to chant the mantra Om Shri Matre Namaha. Keep chanting this as you do the work. Don't ask me how many counts, how much ever counts happen when you're completing the work. The entire work when you're doing, just chant this and do the work. I can assure you, within a month, your issues will reduce and you start to have regular periods. Any issues with your uterus, you'll be able to overcome. I told you once a month, once a week, you bring new pot. So every week you'll be planting one plant. Yeah, so 30 days means you'll be planting at least four pots, four plants, and by then you will be able to see the changes. That is the first thing to strengthen your uterus. The second thing, that the ritual that you should be doing is this. Now, this ritual should be done for 21 days. Now, how you have to do this ritual is after your periods. Okay, now this ritual is for you. Now, the first ritual, even if you are not married, you have irregular periods, you have issues with your periods, PCOS, PCOD, you can do that. Now, the second ritual is for the married couples, the married amma who wants to become mother, who wants to conceive. So, this is for the couples. So, husband and wife both have equal responsibility in this ritual. So, both have to do. Now, if your husband is someone who does not believe in such things, then only you can do. So you have to decide how it is going to be, because I really don't know how is your what is your belief and so on. So you decide accordingly. But if you are able to do as a couple, then this is going to be very effective. Now, This is for married couples who want to get conceived. What you have to do after your periods. So, fifth day of the period, you have to start this ritual. There are two things that you should be doing. One, I have made the video on Kalasham, Kalasham water magic, which has created, which has helped people in health issues. The same Kalasham water will also help you conceive as well. So what you have to do, you have to have a Kalasham of water. Preferably, it should be copper or silver. Don't go for brass. Don't go for the steel one. Yeah, copper is the ultimate, which is very very good for you. Kindly go for it. Either copper or silver. In that kalasham, fill water. Add 2 leaves of tulsi and few akshata in it, and keep in your hand. You and your husband can do together. This has to be done by husband and wife both. You can do together, or depending upon your time, maybe you do it in the morning or evening, or you want to do in different time. It's up to you, because you have to decide based on your time availability. So if you're doing it together, you can do it together, or you can do it separately, but ensure both of you are doing it. So the kalasham has to be held in your hand, and both of you can have one kalasham itself. That's sufficient. If you're doing it in different times, then you have to have different kalashams or different water. Now this has to be done like take bath, go to your puja room, fill the kalasham with water, sit down, have the kalasham in your hand like this, and first before chanting you can just give a intention, take the sankalpam that you want to conceive, and Ambal, with Ambal's anugraham, you be blessed with a virtuous child. So that's what you have to set the intention every single day. Set the intention and chant this mantram from Lalita Sahasranamam for 108 times. Now, the mantram is this: Om Shukla Samsthitaye Namaha, Om Srishti Kartriye Namaha, Om Kameshwara Prema Ratna Mani Pratipanastanye Namaha. Yeah. So these are the 3 namams. You can chant all the 3 namams, or you can chant at least one namam from this. Having the water in your hand, so what you can do, I told you there are 2 things, right? So one mantra you can chant with water. Another mantra, this you have to chant for 108 times. Another mantra is you choose which mantra. Another mantra, have a spoon of butter in a cup and have it in your hand and chant the mantra. Again 108 times. Keep it near Ambal's photo. Offer as Naivedyam. You and both of you, the couples, has to consume this butter. You should not be giving this butter or the water to anyone else. Only you and your spouse can consume. Yeah. Do this for 21 days. So you, after your periods, from the 5th day till 21 days, you should do this every single day. Either you can chant Om Shukla Samsthitaye Namaha or Om Srishti Kartriye Namaha. So for water you can use Shukla Samsthitaye Namaha. For butter you can use Om Srishti Kartriye Namaha. Yeah. So this is the process. Take Sankalpam, chant the mantra with water or butter, and consume. In the Kalasham water that you have chanted the mantra, you shift that to a water bottle, and during the day you can keep drinking that water. So do this with Ambal's Anugraham. You will be blessed with a child very soon. You will be able to conceive very soon. Do this and do get back to me and share your success story, so that it motivates and inspires more and more people. With Ambal's Anugraham, that you be blessed with the baby very soon. లోకా సమస్త సుఖినో భవంతు, సమస్త సన్మంగళాని సంతు. గురుకటాక్షం అంబాళనుగ్రహం పరిపూర్ణం. శ్రీమాత్రే నమః.